Unscripted Genetics. Let's talk about one of the experiments that Mendel, a monk, did to eventually become the father of modern genetics. He lived in a monastery and he used purple flower pollen to fertilize white flowers, and it was noticed that all the beans that resulted had purple flowers in this first filial generation. These seeds were planted and then they were crossed. This is called a monohybrid cross. And what's kind of interesting is that notice in the F2 generation, after the parental F1, F2, that notice that grandpa reappears, notice that grandma reappears, and then notice with the heterozygous options in the middle, then we have the parents being in the mix to this generation. He published his work, Mendel, and then it was only later that Reginald Punnett came up with this way to express and show these relationships. This 3-to-1 relationship is the magical phenotypic ratio that we associate in, and we see this in monohybrid crosses in Punnett squares.